Hello, welcome to Getting Started with Open Drone Map. My name is Scott Lucier. I am your instructor for this course. I put together this course so folks can learn how to use Open Drone Map and use it to make models and to enhance their GIS capabilities and gather some great data with their drones with this wonderful free and open source program. In this course, we're going to learn how to install Open Drone Map, how to either get it off the web for free or use the installer to get it onto your computers. We're going to learn about photogrammetry concepts, the idea of structure from motion or building models or taking a bunch of pictures and letting the computer build us some great data products that we can use for a variety of purposes. We're going to learn about all the different buttons that Open Drone Map has, all the different functionality, how to maneuver around the system, and look at all, everything that's involved with the program, and get you started with this program. And I think you're really going to enjoy it. It's a great way to get into photogrammetry and how to build orthomosaics and 3D models without having to pay a lot of money, which is part of the drill with this type of software, this photogrammetry software. It's not cheap. So with Open Drone Map, you can get this installed, get working with it, get practicing with it, and even use it for professional work without having to outlay a bunch of money. So that's the drill. I've been doing GIS work for probably 30 years since college, way back, and really enjoy it. I found drones to be a great data collection tool, and I'd like to teach you everything I know about how to use these flying robots to gather data and enhance our knowledge of the world, and help us make better decisions, and build some cool data products. So look forward to working with you, teaching to you. I don't know. Look forward to having you in the class here, and working with you even beyond that. So thank you very much for considering the course, and let's get going.